Hey yo, I done walked up on some information, man, that might be the origins of the Incredible Hulk. Show. Let's go. In 1887, Marcelin Berthelot, the former minister to Europe and foreign affairs of France, wrote, "From now on, there is no mystery in the universe." What did he mean? While Berthelot in his learned work was rejecting the dreams of the alchemists, the elements which he knew nothing about, this continued to transmute themselves as a result of natural radioactivity. Don't that sound like the Hulk? Can humans transmute themselves as a result of radioactivity? Anything possible nowadays. Let's go. About airplanes. Airplanes, before invented, were on blueprints before any Wright brother interference. They were called the birds of ill omen by German scientists Hermann Gastineau and Zeppelin. Follow me for more.